Freedom at last. Want a bite for the road? No thank you. Tell Bill Gates we won't eat worms either. Oh yeah, now you're talking. I like peanut butter suet, just bite size. One of my questions for caring for Miss Woody was how much should I feed her? Nobody seemed to know, except Miss Woody herself. When she has had enough, you will know as she tosses her head about, flicking the bite of food from your hand. I was getting her message. I've had enough. And to make sure I understood, she stuck her tongue out at me and shook her head. Up and away she goes. It appears that nobody has to teach them to peck at the tree. Goal 1. Survive the first night as a rescued bird. Goal 2. Grow a few more feathers. Goal 3. Flight. Goal 4. Hunt for food. Goal 5. Reunited with other pileated woodpeckers, especially her mom and dad. As we kept a close watch over Miss Woody, we witnessed a female adult pileated woodpecker join Miss Woody. For the remainder of day 1 of freedom, Miss Woody flew from limb to limb, then tree to tree. Just before sundown, I went out to see if I could find her. There she was sitting in our maple tree. When she saw me, she flew right past me to a nearby pine tree. I approached her with a tidbit of her favorite peanut suet, and she reached out for more and more. She was hungry. The decision was made to return her to her safe place. It wasn't long till she found her favorite corner. Then she tucked her beak under her wing and went to sleep. Wow, that was an exhausting day. She slept till morning, ready for another day of adventures.